Calculations. Subtracting up to 1,000. You see here the same problem written out twice. On the left side, we are going to solve the problem, and on the right side, we are going to solve it more quickly. Alright, so the problem is 822 minus 148. But as you can see, minusing 2 from 4 and 2 from 8, we would run into a negative number. And we don't really need to work with that, so we're going to carry over a 1 from this 2. So instead of 2, this will become a 1. And we give a 1 over to the 2 and put it in front, so that is 12 now. So it's 12 minus 8, which we know is 4. Okay, but again we have the same problem. 1 minus 4 doesn't work. We can carry over a 1 from the 8. So we have to make the 8 a 7. We have to minus 1 from it. So now we have 7, and then we add the 1. Now we have 110 minus 40. Okay, and that is 70. And now we just have to subtract the 7 from the 1, or the 700 from 100, which is 600. So now we have 4 plus 70 plus 600, which equals 674. Alright, let's solve this problem a little faster. So again, we run into the same problem. So we have to subtract 1 from the 2 and give it to the other 2. So now we have the 12 minus 8 is 4. So again, we need to carry over a number. We have to subtract 1 from the 8. So we have 7 now. And we give the other 1 to this one right here. This becomes 11 minus 4 is 7. And now we just have 7 minus 1 is 6. So again, 674. We see here now 691 minus 483. Okay, again, 1 minus 3 doesn't work, so we need to carry over a number from the 9. Let's get rid of 1 from the 9, so 9 minus 1 is 8. And now we give the 1 to the other one over here. So it becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. Okay, and now 8 minus 8 is 0, or 80 minus 80 is 0 as well. So we write 2 zeros. And now the 6 minus the 4, or 600 minus 400, is 200. So now we just add them all up again. So 8, 0, 2. 208. Okay, let's do it again. So take a 1 from the 9, becomes 8. Add it to the 1, 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. 208. Now we have 625 minus 145. Okay, so 5 minus 5 is 0. But again, we run into that problem. So we can't do 2 minus 4 or 20 minus 4. So we need to get a number from the 6. We need a 1 from the 6. So the 6 becomes a 5. And we add 1 to the front of the 20. So now we have 120 minus 40. Right? And that equals 80. And now we just have to subtract the 5 from the 1, or 500 minus 100, which is 400. Okay, so let's add up 80 plus 400, which equals to 480. Okay, let's do it again. 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay, we need to add a 1 from the 6. So that's 5. Add it to the 2. Then we have 8, and 5 minus 1 is 4. 480. Okay, 732 minus 491. Okay, 2 minus 1, we can do that easily, is 1. And now we have 3 minus 9, which doesn't work, or you can say 30 minus 90 doesn't work either. So let's take a 1 from the 7, so that becomes a 6. And we give it over to the 30, so that's 130 minus 90 now. Okay, so what do you think that equals? Right, 40. So, and now 600 minus 400 is 200. So let's add 1 plus 40 plus 200. So that equals 241. Okay, and last time, so 2 minus 1 is 1. Take a 1 from the 7 and make it a 6. Add the 1 to the 3. So 13 minus 9 is 4. And then 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, great work, and good luck solving your next math problems.